Hey there, welcome to the world of amazing construction vehicles. Today, we're going to explore some of the coolest machines that help build our cities, from tiny diggers to giant cranes. Watch closely as we line them up from the smallest to the biggest, and learn what each one does. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Share this video with your friends who love trucks and diggers too. And tell us in the comments which construction vehicle is your favorite. Ready? Let's roll out and start our construction adventure. Excavator MainanTube 320D, used for digging soil, sand, or mud, and moving heavy materials with powerful hydraulic arms. Forklift MainanTube H30D, moves pallets and small construction materials within work zones. Bulldozer MainanTube D155AX, pushes large amounts of earth or debris and levels construction areas. Crane Truck MainanTube LTM 1070, lifts and moves heavy construction materials to elevated areas. Dump Truck MainanTGS Construction, transports sand, rocks, and soil between different areas of the construction site. Asphalt Paver MainanTube Super 1800-3i, spreads and levels hot asphalt evenly before compaction. Motor Grader Caterpillar 140M, levels and smooths the ground surface, shaping roads and foundations. Wheel Loader Volvo L350H, loads sand, gravel, or soil into dump trucks or other transport vehicles. Lowboy Trailer TGX Heavy Hauler, transports heavy equipment such as excavators and bulldozers between project locations. Telehandler JCB 540, a telescopic forklift that can lift and reach materials in high or distant areas. Concrete Mixer Truck TGS Molen, mixes and transports fresh concrete to construction sites with a rotating drum. Road Roller Ham HD12, compacts soil, gravel, or asphalt to create a stable and even surface. Skid Steer Loader Bobcat S750, a compact and agile loader for small or confined construction spaces. Water Tank Truck TGS, sprays water to control dust and aid soil compaction. Backhoe Loader JCB 4CX, digging with the rear arm and loading with the front bucket, ideal for tight spaces. Compactor Bomag BW120, compresses soil and sand to stabilize the ground during construction. Crawler Crane Komatsu PC210, lifts heavy loads and operates efficiently on uneven ground. Tower Crane, used on high-rise projects to lift materials vertically and rotate 360 degrees. Fuel Truck TGX Fuel Service, supplies fuel to heavy machinery and equipment on site. Articulated Hauler Volvo A40G, a heavy-duty dump truck designed to carry loads over rough or muddy terrain. Wow! We've seen so many powerful construction vehicles today. Each one has a special job digging, lifting, pushing, or building something new. Which one was your favorite? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more fun learning, and join us next time for another big adventure with awesome machines. Thanks for watching, see you soon.